Hi, welcome back. Sabit Christopher. We are going to do using the second option, how we separate date and time. This time we are going to use the text formula. So how do we use the formula? Equals to text. That's the formula. Now, this is the value where we have our date and time, comma. Now, whichever format you need, you always put it in quotes. So I will open quotes. Now, I may need to start with day. So I will say DD. Then you can either do a stroke or you can do, I'll do a stroke for now. Then put MM, I'll do a stroke. Then yeah, 4 times, such that I can get 2022. And close that in a semicolons again, in quotes, close the bracket, enter. So this is it, which means if I change the M's to be 3, I'll get the month in words. If I change the Y's to be 2, I'll get their shortened. So that's how you do it. So you can play with the format depending on how you need it. So I'll go with this, which means if I add M3, 3 M's, then I'll get it in words. So when I autofill this downwards, and that is it. Then for that time, you can also do the same, equals to text, open quote, or open brackets, click on the value, comma, open your quotes. I want hour first, that's hour, HH, semicolon, minute, semicolon, S, that is seconds. Close the quotes, because this is a text format, then close the bracket, enter, and here we go. Autofill this downwards. There you go. Please ensure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell such that every time we post a video, you are the first one to watch it. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.